In this video, we're going to create job sheet BAC 3.2. So I've already pasted the image or the orthographic views dito sa kabilang side ng aking drawing area. Now, we're going to create 3 different objects muna para magawa. Okay. So, first part is this one. Second part and third part. Because this part can be mirrored with this one. So, hindi mo na gagawin twice. So, sa isang object ka lang or sa isang part ka lang gagawa ng command. Tapos, yung output nun, you can mirror that para magawa yung kabilang side. So, okay. So, for this one, we're going to create three different sides or 3 different parts. First part, rectangle. The dimension is 15 by 15. Okay. Yan, 15 by 15. Next is, this is 15 and the length is 30. So, check. Dito ko na lang gawin. 15, 30. Then, I'll move this dito. Next, I'll create a line, a reference line. Here, line. This is 30. Then, I'll connect it here sa endpoint na to. Okay. So, for the first 2 objects, we're going to use extrude. For this part, we're going to use press pull. Bakit? Because hindi na tayo gumawa nung isang enclosed object. Si press pull, kukunin lang niya yung bounded area or may bounded part lang siya. Yun yung i-press or pull mo. So this one, this has a height of 20. So, daling-dali nung third part. So this one, itong dalawa, pareho siyang may height na, anong height nito? 50. So, I'll use extrude. Select, enter, 50. Yan. So, what's next? Okay. Oh, dito. So, base here, itong part na to, this is this one. Then, this is the left side. Kung i-right side mo siya, itong inclination na to, makikita mo din dito. So, kung titingnan nyo maigi, ang isang part na to, 2 beses magsa-slice. So, isa, pa dito, yung isa pa here. Okay? So, para mas madaling mag-slice, we're going to use reference points. So, yun muna yung ilalagay natin. So, base here, combination, from this edge, bababa ka ng 20, tapos, kakanan or kakanan ka ng 10. So, let's create this. We're going to use a different color. This one, baba ka ng 20. Then, kanan ka ng 10. So, yan. Yan ang ating gagamitin na reference for this one. Then, the other part, dahil mirrored lang naman siya, kailangan natin kunin sa kabilang side. Dito sa side na to. So, first, we're going to use or create ito from this endpoint. Pataas ng 30. So, pareho lang. Then, i-connect natin dito. Yan. Okay. So, kailangan na natin slice this object, use 3P, and select the 3 points. So here, kung ito ang ating isa-slice, I need this one, ito, tsaka this. Yan. So, na-slice muna siyang paganyan. Then, kung titingnan natin, tama pa rin. Tama. Siya. Then, pupuntahan naman tayo sa likod. You can slice this or you can use press pull basta may bounded object. So, kung press pull ang gagamitin mo, mas mabilis, press mo lang ganyan. So, that's your output. Or, you can use slice. Select the option. Enter. Use 3P. Your 3 points are this one. First point, second point, and third point. Retain this side. Same thing. Okay? You can now mirror this. So, ang gagamitin ko is this midpoint. Papunta ba? Siyempre, no. So, yan na. Ang problema mo is etong part. Kasi kung magta-top view ka, wala nang problema dito. Ito. Itong kanto. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? What we need is this line. Okay, orbit. Yan. Tapos, I'll use END again. Okay. So, when I was using this before, when I started teaching, ang ginamit kong process is I regioned muna. Ni-region ko muna. Wait. Let me go back to 2D wireframe. I region these lines. Itong aking mga reference lines. Then, ito yung in-extrude ko. So, EXT. Pag ganyan. Then, I subtracted. SU. SU. This object with this object. Yan na. Pero, may mas madali pa pala. So, ito ang itsura niya kung hindi mo ito 2D wireframe. So, yan. Ang mas madaling part is okay. Balik ko sa hidden. This one, explode. X. Nakaline na siya, no? Op. So here, ang mas madali is just use slice. Again, 3P. Use the endpoints as your points. Then, this one. So, same thing. Same ang result mo. So, what's left to do is perform union. Okay. So this is job sheet 3.2. Let's use volume. So this is 48625. So it's correct. Yan ang itsura niya, ha?